I'm Gareth Mackay, Production Manager at Port Blakely, New Zealand Essential Oils. Being a forestry company, we predominantly wanted to be focused around wood. And Alpine really ticked the box with their buildings. They're very strong structure. And a lot of good customer reviews. Talked to a few people about what they put out as a product, and that's why we sort of opted for them. Yeah. For our distillery, it's not just out of the box sort of a setup. So we sort of sat down with Alpine. A few different things. Our distillery shed has been sort of future-proofed. So it's a lean-to at the moment, but it can have, we can double it up to gable. If we wanted to double our capacity, we've got a big boiler shed over the back. Incorporates massive roof height for our biomass boiler. Clearspan workshop behind me for all our servicing on our vehicles and our maintenance we do, because obviously we're in the forest, a long way from anywhere. So stuff like that we do work through winter, and these buildings there, they stand up to everything. We get pretty much everything thrown at us here. Horrible nor'wester, snow, we get some good snows in here, frost, and then we are in here in summertime doing maintenance activities and stuff, and it just performs there. They're amazing, no issues at all from us. It's no creaking, no groaning, nice and strong. That's what we want here. There was a wee bit of to and fro. Yeah, we had initial concept. We talked to Alpine. They threw a few good ideas in the mix, and we actually did a wee bit of engineering on the fly too. We sort of didn't know how a couple of things were going to pan out. The boiler house behind me, we built through winter last year, so we left half the roof off and one side off, so we could actually get that 70-ton boiler in, and then the boys come back and clouded the rest. Yeah, we had a bit of an issue with the downpipes were going to run through our concrete, so we dealt with Hartley and ended up running just a single downpipe at the end. We had a few issues arise, and Alpine were just awesome. Nothing was ever a problem. Very forthcoming, lots of knowledge. They're great. The initial concept was brought through to Alpine. They fed us back with a few ideas, a few changes, a few alterations, what would work, what wouldn't work. We sort of factored that into our model, and we sort of run with that. So the forest access road's a bit of a logistical nightmare. So Alpine were great. We got all our materials from Timaru shipped to the laydown area on the road, and then we had the task of unloading, reloading onto forest accessible vehicles and getting them in here. So the boiler house poles speak for themselves behind me. They were in excess of 11 metres around tight little forestry roads, crossing a river. It was a bit of a challenge, but we got it done, and the Alpine's can-do approach to everything was great. That really helped with the build too. So Alpine's approach to the building was systematic, methodical. It was outstanding. The boys knew what they were doing. Zach and Jack from Alpine Buildings, they had all the gear, all the right ideas, and they were into it. Rain, hail, or snow, we threw the weather at them up here, and everything was there, and they put it up and got it done. It was outstanding. From concept to getting materials on site to having the final product here behind us, nothing was ever a problem. The can-do attitude, problem solving, and the people you're talking to and dealing with knew exactly what they were talking about. They had good experience, good knowledge, and it really sold it for us. It was took a lot of hassle out of could be quite a complex project. So they were awesome. The favourite features of the Alpine setup will be just the big clear span. Clear spans are unreal, and the strength. It gives us a lot of room to move and to work with. Plenty of real estate. Not having poles in the middle of your sheds, it's awesome. Especially behind me on the maintenance shed. We can take tractors. We've got big chippers in the forest. We can bring that gear in and work in it, rain, hail, or snow. So it's awesome. That's one of the great features. So our distillery shed out here, it's open due to the nature of the throughput. So our trailers and tractors come through from one side and exit out the other. So that's why they don't have roller doors, or it's not enclosed. It just, the difficulty of backing things in or closing doors and opening doors. That could be open if it needed to be, but we just decided to chuck a roof on it, keep things clean and keep the boys out of the rain and the sun and all that. Clear light's awesome, and the boiler, we got them in all our sheds, the distillery shed, mechanical workshop behind us, and the boiler house, and it provides, it's just a good light all day. You don't have to turn the lights on once the sun comes up. It's outstanding. Really good. Well worth it. Well worth putting it in. We're out here. We sort of had to go with wood, being a forestry company, And Alpines, yeah, their wood buildings are, yeah, they're amazing. Strong, straight, sturdy. Having the boiler house framed out of timber definitely gives it a bit of room for contraction and expansion. You could be going from 50 degrees one day to, when it's shut down, it might only be 10 degrees, and then if it's shut down over winter for some reason, you get down to -3. Yeah, so it gives us a bit of flexibility there. So that's lined with a wee bit of plywood too, just to give us that timber effect. So it's great. Timber's it's a good product.